Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting exactly what you want to change: a paragraph, table, cell, or the whole document. Once selected, open the Format menu or use the toolbar icons to inspect current settings. This shows left, center, right, or justified alignment. Make sure to check the ruler for indents and tab stops because alignment depends on those. If you want column-like layouts, consider table cells or tab stops instead of spaces. Doing that now prevents rework later. Once you see misalignment, drag the ruler markers to adjust left and right indents. The top marker controls the first line. You can also open Format right arrow align and indent right arrow indentation options to enter exact values like 0, 5, or 1 cm for consistency. For precise spacing inside lists or columns, set tab stops rather than inserting spaces because tabs hold position across edits. For tables, open Table Properties to set cell padding and vertical alignment so text sits where you expect it. Now finalize by applying the chosen alignment consistently. Select styles or use the toolbar icons again to confirm. If parts still look off, use clear formatting to strip hidden styles and then reapply the alignment because leftover styles often override settings. Make sure to check page margins and any section breaks, since different sections can have different layouts. If nothing fixes it, copy the content into a new document as plain text and reformat. That usually eliminates stubborn formatting artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.